Yeah, man, for your universe, I don't know what to talk to you, man. And for your mental title, you don't know what go forward. But yeah, man, Alkaline. The artist wanna sleep on from last year, wanna say, yo, but when I feel like saying wash up now, when I feel like say I hate this fame, like when I feel say new them I can take over. I would just kick it off like this people, and you don't know what go on now.
Love me anyway, me turn up on a trail, me will leap a girl. A bad bitch and a nothing for me pull. Just like stadium and nothing for me full. Me receive up on another operation, me gone with no week to girl. When me dead, she wanna come around, say she have to hold me. Hey. I've seen what she show me.
Yes, man. Yeah, means that thing I don't know. But nah lie, I rate the first line I track. I dog just get off a real sweet. Is it? I always said what's Alkaline forward with theme touch on the music where you not gonna come with no, even if I'm forward with the gimmicks, you not gonna do it like certain artists. Like, for example, and I mean it's like Governor now. You know Governor the theme thing already, you know. Is it? You know them man they always forward with the yeah man, me have to kinda diss it, but in a one like a gimmicks way. Alkaline always put theme like a touch on there, making he always wanna move like him, you know, outside of the box. Like, oh man, like everybody else, and is it? Again, them man, is it? No people perceive them man to be all alien and them thing there. So I don't really blame him for that still. But people, isn't me? I'm a big Alkaline fan, but I'm not gonna be biased. That track here, it was a valiant effort, isn't me? I still not hit this yet, isn't me? Can't tell, so I still look for it, cause a long time after, isn't me? Hit them start get far in between from what day. But people, it was a valiant effort, isn't me? I say. The track I put out the other day with me artists them with Star Captain and them and the Knocks and them and the same thing again, isn't me? Did I search for it, but it was not it. Nah gonna lie, nah gonna make no excuse for him, but it was a valiant effort, people. You have to give him that. But big and serious though, yo. Me personally just feels as a warm up though still. Of what's to come. Isn't me? One thing. Feel say dog just a medzi, you know, so kinda let's stay low key right now. As I watch from afar and I say, boy, there was a dance all around a certain way and I was still, isn't me, I've got kind of shake them up again. Personally too, you know, I feel say, boss all have a project I sit down pants too, you know. I'm probably also should about in or probably having the works right now, you know. Feel so like when you see like a Papi should about film project other day, Cartel should about film project and thing, isn't me? Governor with film Hammond same way. Feel say dog I say yeah man about time now man, a long time, like certain things need for you. See me cause for the dog going give it that solid body I work there with New Level Unlocked, you know, that EP there, you know. When I really get back solid like that again since, you know. And then time there, you see me, undoubtedly you know say Alka did a run off dancehall. But what I realize is, and this is dancehall culture, so I can't really blame the fans. Cause everybody get used to this fast food music, this microwavable music what us, you see me? Here by today, gone by tomorrow type of thing. Because yo, what last year, everybody fans them, vlogger them mostly. Everybody has say, yo, dog drop off, find back a tune. You see me, dog gone quiet, thing get cool up. You see me, that me everybody appreciate about for last year. So Alkaline have no big tune again and they say, yo, people think say dog really have a solid year, you know, like. As I said, I'm not be biased or not, but the man they still have a very decent year when I really think about it. You see me? Because when the man put out certain songs, you see me? With the thing, you see me? No average elite only them song there, man. They song them bad, you know. I never know hit in a phone eyes, you know. Which I can't understand because last year, the most dancehall artist, I say, boss. You see me? From your life. And half it talk truth and know say facts that. Last year, the most dancehall artists, you see, boss people. Big and serious. Because when you have to really match this to, you know. Kinda hard for you man continue for the shine so you know when I have artists just pop out left right and center on the scene, you know. You see me? And last year we see Intense forward on the scene and I run road from them time there. Same thing with Skilly Bang. You see me I say all of them man there. Yes God take over the on the rise same way too. Exclusive all of them big man. You see me I say? So really and truly man when I have to cut it out so like because you know easy people. But a new talent show about last year, you know, normal. And enough man get overshadowed the same way too, you see me? Remember one time God said Reagan King when they were replacing the man, alright now, you see me? They say one king but come and king absent. Is it? So but being on serious though, I feel said that track here was just a warm up track though people. Like if me go be honest. Like if I really think about it, feel so that track here, like a dog, like, yo, you know, saying still have something to prove. Because personally, as me saying, I'm an Alka fan. But at the end of the day, you see me, you can't walk in a man like All Vybz Kartel shoes to this day. No way, no time. If I feel like, say, you can give you some solid body of work over the last couple of years, and then feel like you want to ease up now and throw it into it, it can't work. You see me? A man like All Kartel, no brother. You see me? A man that should about tune, you see me, hits, hits, and a back to back to, and a over one, you see me, one very long period of time. So, if a man really not reach the decade mark and want to come, you see me, pull up already, as when I say 9 tune, pull up like Bolt in our last race. Okay, I can't move like you want to come pull up already, dog. Like, I'll get to beat when I forget the same way to you. Me fun same way, but I'll get to like everybody else, man. Nah, by sort of thing. But people that that's my opinion still. I don't want to think, like, I want to feel the same best years, is me, the behind him. I still think, say, yo, there's a lot more to come. There's still greatness on the horizon. Because really and truly, people, you know, say dog have talent. You know, say a very talented young artist, this. Is me, one of a kind. And you don't have much people like Alkaline in that game. Especially who still do it now. Come on, man. If you have people like Kartel, Popcorn, if you have a Massacre and a Governor, you see me, who would have really did it for you see me, for really take on Alkaline. You see me, I say? So for real, man, we're not going to buy us a thing, but Alkaline start pull up in socks, man. You see me? When I say I have to give it back 2016 year, but you see me, come in, one, like, if you did a preach, you did a preach to your fans, the man I say, yo, I feel your thing this and I feel your time now, and you see me, you're in it for steam and you're going for impact and you have impression and all these things. I can't make man like Tommy Lee laugh after you right now and I'm saying did right. You see me? You see me, I say? Well, you people, as we said, that's personal opinions in the comment section. Zane, and let's have a conversation. Like and share the video so others can have a say as well. Also, what should the next conversation be about? Just DM it to me, you see me, and thrill them. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And we do it again tomorrow. Zane, people, I'm out.
And I'm out behind your back for try clip, you ain't know that. I posted them from them days still in. Couldn't see already, I said them I said the shit for sing. All them just attack it, but all them do attack shit.